Now, please do not swear. You don't know what Big Brother is. You know, when you're on live TV, I'm a celebrity, get me out of here. They say don't swear. We're live now. Okay? Right. Will I correct? What did you get for 2 part 1? AB by A. What did you get? A squared B. Yeah? So you wrote, did we all get that? So you wrote, sorry, it's on freeze. You wrote, it's AB by A. So you wrote ABA, right, but you can't write 2 A's. So you write 2 A's multiplied together to be A squared. So your answer is A squared B. Did we get that? Right, the next one was 2AB by B. 2AB by B. So the first thing you do is you write 2ABB, right, and that's 2AB squared. Is that okay? Did you get that? 3AB by 2AB. 3AB multiplied by 2AB. And as I say, I'm putting a dot for the multiply sign because I don't want you to think it's an X, right? Because my X's and multiply signs are the same. They're different in the book. 3 by 2 is 6. So we have 6AB, AB, right? Just write all the letters together, right? Okay, so that would be 6, and you have 2 A's would give me what? A squared, and there's 2 B's. What would 2 B's together give me? B squared. And this is when I'm multiplying them, right? Okay. 5CD by 2DE. Right? So you multiply the numbers. 5 by 2 is 10. Then write all the letters beside each other. C, D, D, E. So C, D, D, E. But I have 2 D's. How would I write 2 D's? D squared. So that's 10 C D squared E. Isn't that right? Okay. Next one. Where is it? 2B by 3A. 2B by 3A. So you multiply 2 3's are 6BA. Right. Normally, girls, that is 100% correct, and if that was a test, I'd give you full marks for that. Okay, but just so you know, normally in the books and stuff, they write them in alphabetical order. So instead of saying BA, what would they call that if they put it in alphabetical order? AB. Okay, it's the exact same thing, right? Okay, but just if you're checking your answers at the back of the book, just so you know they're the same thing. Is that all right? Okay. Next one, 9A by 2BC. Yeah, go on. Go girl, 18ABC. Right, and there's nothing the same, so you can just leave it like that. Right, okay. A by B by C is the next one. A multiplied by B multiplied by C. What did you write for that? ABC. Right, and finally the last one is 2x multiplied by 3y multiplied by 2x. So multiply the numbers. 2 by 3 is 6, by 2 is 12, and then just write all the letters beside each other, x, y, x, and then you'll notice there's 2 x's, so how will I write them? 12x squared times y. Isn't that right? Okay, great. Did you get them all right? Yeah. Who got one wrong? No, everyone got them all right. Great. Right. Next thing I'm going to ask you to do is all of number 3. Now, what's different about this is these are the ones with the signs. So I want you to remember, do the signs first. If there's no sign, as there is with the 5, what sign is understood to be there if there's no sign? Plus. And I want you looking up at that yellow sign. Plus by a plus is a plus. Minus by a minus is a plus. Plus by a minus, minus by a plus. Is that right? Okay, so the rules are there for you. So number 3 there, okay? And don't worry about the brackets. The brackets just mean multiply, so don't worry about the brackets, okay? So, is everyone okay? Does anyone need me to do the first one? Are you okay, Kayla? And feel free to use your calculators for the multiplying, okay? That's why we give them to you. So if you can't multiply the numbers, can't remember your tables, don't worry about it, you'll have a calculator. Right, we ready? Oh God. Okay. Okay. We ready? So, yes, no, maybe? I'll take that as a yes. Right, okay. I hope he'll be shouting at me by the end of the year, because I can't stand silence. It hurts my ears, silence. Right, okay. Here, minus 3x by, remember, if there's no sign, it's a plus. So that's a minus by a plus is a minus, and then multiply your numbers and then your letters. So 3 by 5 is 15, and there's no letters to multiply, there's just an x on its own. So minus 15x, did we get it? Yeah. Next one, no sign is a plus. So a plus by a minus is a minus. 7 2s are 14, and then we just have an m. Okay? Next one, a minus by a minus is a plus. You don't need to write down the plus, but you can if you want. 4 by 3 is 12, and we just have one letter A. So plus 12A or 12A. Right, if you're saving the ink on your pen, you can just write 12A. Right, over here, that's no sign is a plus. So a plus by a minus is a minus. 9 by 3 is 27. And m, you just have one letter, minus 27m. Right, next one. A minus by a minus is a plus. 5 by 6 is 30. And we just have a k. Are we all getting right? Right. Next one, a minus by minus is a plus. 7 by 2 is 14, and we just have an A. Okay, here we have, that's a minus, there's no sign there, so it's a plus. A minus by a plus is a minus. We have just a 2, and then we have an A and a B, so you just write them alongside each other. Okay. You all okay? Next one, we have a minus by a minus is a plus, and then we just P by Q is just PQ. Okay, as I say, you don't have to write that plus, right, because if it's not there, it's understood to be there, so it's fine not writing it. Okay, a plus, remember no sign, a plus by a minus is a minus. 5 by 2 is 10. And M is MN. I'm just writing them in alphabetical order. But if you wrote NM, right, that's the exact same thing, so it's correct. Okay? I'm just writing them in alphabetical order because that's the way they do it in the back of the book. Is that okay? Right, next one. A minus by a minus is a plus. We just have a 6. And T by W is TW. Okay, a minus by a plus is a minus. 8 by 7 is 56. X by Y is XY. Is that okay? And then a plus by a minus is a minus. 10 by 3 is 30. And then I have M by M is MM, but I'd never write MM. What would I write that as? M squared. Very good. Okay, we good? Ready to move on? Do you want a break? Do you want a math break or something?